So let me write another example that is for a nested loop. So from column number 7, program loop 2 and end program loop. With the default options, right? I'm going to write here 30. I varies from 1 up to 5. Right. Now I write do do 20. J varies from 1 up to 3. Right. Now in this one, I would write print that is the value of j. So j is equal to here. And outside this loop, let me write here print the value of I. I'm doing it purposely to show you how the loop is going to be executed. So it will take several values of I and j according to the one determined by the loop structure. And this is the inner loop, so I have to have numbers 20 to complete it first. And I would write here continue. And for the outer loop, I would write here, well, you have several condition or statements there. So I will write here continue. Right. And here, let me write just some dashes. Okay. Right. You may have calculation anywhere, right? Depending upon the requirements of your algorithm. Let's save this program. And our objective in this program, please recall and refresh in your mind. Our objective in this demonstration is to see how the loop is executed, which values of I and j are available, right? And that is very important when we will deal with the matrices and vectors. So it is program name loop2.for. Okay. B77 loop2.for minus O. It is loop2.exe. So no edits. We are lucky. And I'm lucky because instead of only one Fortran compiler, I am working here with 38 Fortran compilers. They are watching all the statements all the time. And these are my students, intelligent students, have been converted for this class into Fortran compilers, and they are evolving it. Right. So that was the objective. Look for the values of I and j. Yes. So the value of I, look here, I was equal to 1, and then the values assigned to j are 1, 2, 3. Then I value was updated to 2, and then j was executed as 1, 2, 3. Then I equal to 3, j values 1, 2, 3. So this is the real sense of the loop. So when the loop is executed, so it take one value of I equal to 1. It prints the value of I, which is here. And then it takes the value for j loop. And since it is the inner loop, the value of j would be executed for the whole set of values for j, right? So 1, 2, 3. And then after executing 3 values of j, it has printed the dashed line. So I introduced that one objectively, purposely. And then it move on to continue with the next value of I. So I value was updated Then again, the loop was initialized to 1. And that's the way we work with the nested loops. The similar pattern would be there in the nested if structures, right? So if you use these structures clearly and logically, they are really going to facilitate your work, right? We will work with the examples with from time to time. So this is the end of this demonstration.